Hello, this presentation is on house and career and construction projects. It's using Google Docs and Google SketchUp. It's part of a high school geometry curriculum. My name is Scott Anderson. I'm the high school math teacher at Juda, Wisconsin. I've been teaching here about 6 years. Prior to that, I did about 15 years as an engineer and manager. We're using software that I was looking for my employees to be good at. We use career paths and designing a home to bring those skills. I work through Google Docs, and we do that through emails. So I'll show you an email assignment. So here's an assignment where I actually emailed the class the link to the Google Doc to write a reflection about green. And that was one of the assignments within the Google Docs. And when you open these up, I'll bring up the first sheet. I have all the lessons and what the sheets are and the dates that they are. This is a year-long project we work on. We start by simply getting used to the idea of what Google Docs is, signing up, doing some writing about certain things. We also do some work on getting used to engineered drawings, reviewing some things here about how to geometry, how to draw, and you can attach examples here of finished parts, and simply by doing links you can quickly bring up other things so they can see examples that you capture in here. And this is a part that was captured as a hand drawing to show what type of description I was expecting. And those are quick to open and easy to save, so they can move across from one document to the other. And then we moved into drawing objects in Google SketchUp, and one of the first objects they drew was a support block, and every student had to complete this block. It is simply a 3D model block. It is from a door assembly, and each student had to draw this. I gave no instruction on how to do it. I simply told the students to get used to the commands up here from drawing boxes and extruding them. And I just gave you the same lesson I gave them before I demanded this part be done. And it's amazing because they move from here, and through the lessons they quickly come to drawing our house. And along the way we did some essays on possible careers. We did essays on, in the construction engineering field, we did essays on home costs and using spreadsheets about how the planes are perpendicular and things that tie to geometry. And at the same time they became very good at modeling, and quickly they were able to move from that part to designing 2 floors here. And very quickly they surpassed my ability to help them, and they are able to create documents or files like this using Google SketchUp. Again, this is all free software. This is one that's about probably 80% finished. You can see the windows here in the hallway inside, and you can walk through. And again, he's still working on the inside, his extra rooms, his bedroom, putting objects in. He still has to finish here, and it's about 2 months from the end of the year now, and he'll have time to pull all that together. It is a very powerful software package, very similar to 3D modeling packages used out in the world. And again, this gives the students an opportunity to really do some real-world drafting and research on careers. And the Google Docs gives the students a real-life chance for collaboration, working in single documents, understanding links and how to change things collaboratively. It's a larger project and takes some lab time, but in the end the results have been great. If you ever have any questions about the project itself, again, my name is Scott Anderson. I teach at Juda Schools. My phone number is listed, and I'm on Twitter at 21st Math Teacher. Thanks for your time.